Boo. So this is gonna be a different type of video. As you can tell, I'm recording on the phone, but not really. This is my actual phone. Besides the point, I've decided to make a small little computer upgrade. I've been wanting to make like computer upgrade videos before. Something ends up happening. I never end up doing it. So we're doing it today. I use Linux. I know. And at first I bought like a 250 gig SSD to have it on my PC because I dual boot, so I have Windows. As you can see, I'm on Windows. It's Windows 11, but I'm also running Linux on here. That little 250 gig SSD works, but it gets full a lot. I edit my videos on Linux and my storage does end up getting full, so I decided to make the upgrade. 1 terabyte. Still a SATA SSD, I know. I could have gone with NVMe, but we all know how that's all stupid expensive. I decided not to do that. So we're sticking with the 1 terabyte update. And then, as you guys can tell, here I am on Windows. I just flashed this USB to the latest version of Arch that came out yesterday. So we will be installing that. I have the Arch wiki here ready for me. So now we have to do a little bit of surgery on my PC right here. There she is in all her glory. Quintuplet sticker. The beaut that she is right there. Quick surgery we got to do. We're gonna put this SSD in there. For now, we're gonna have both of them in there. Eventually, I will get the other one out. I have another SATA cord here. So let's get started with the surgery. You guys are never gonna believe it. I just had one of the biggest stupid idiot moments on the planet. I thought I had another one of these bad boys up in here. No. I forgot that when I upgraded to this PC, Windows is on an actual NVMe. The other one is an M.2 SSD that's in the front. So I have not this open for no reason, because now I'm just gonna plug this bad boy up into here, have it connected up in there, and we're gonna be Gucci. So let me do that real quick. I had to unplug my GPU. Here are the quints. Aren't they lovely? We love the quintuplet. The SATA ports are hiding right behind you here. My GPU was right here, if you remember. This is big behemoth, this thing. So now I'm praying to everything that will work. Other issue, I forgot that I don't have the screws to mount it right there. So for right now, it's just free balling. I'm just gonna pray that everything works as of right now and see if we can install everything while it's all open. Of course, the GPU needs to go back in. If not, I'll have to move the SATA ports around. So let's see how this goes. I did good. So as a quick sanity check, I came into my BIOS. As you can see here, SATA port number 1, WD Blue, 1000 GB. We're going to restart real quick. Come on, please. Honestly, that's Windows. No. Windows bad. Boot. Okay, here we go. All right. We're gonna boot into SanDisk Partition 1 or Linux. Okay, we're doing good so far. And then this should take me through the installer. Oh, welcome to Arch Linux. Yes! Okay, now I have to go through the installer. I think I'm gonna just do a time lapse of me going through this. I got it set up. As you can see, I have it right here, not showing my last name because that's too federal. Ta-da! We are signed in. And look at my host name. Isn't it beautiful? Gotta know the username. Raccoon the goat. Right now I'm installing everything again, so that's what's happening. But first, I need to fix this bad boy, so let's turn this off. This is now secured in there. Yes. GB had to come back out. I had to reorganize something in here. Time to put all this back together. Let's go. Alright. You know the Bruno Mars in the background. My brother's taking a shower. Anyways, GPU is still out. But, so my old SSD was in here. This is this bad boy. Zoom in a little bit. This is her right here. 250 GBs. Served me well. Time for it to rest. Who knows what it will go to next? The world will never know. But we have to put this bad boy back up under and then load everything back up and we should be good. Quick tablet. Yoba. Now we will see if everything works as it should. So let's go to the boot menu. Boot. Okay, and then boot option number 1 is grub. We're doing good so far. It will reboot again. And in theory, the computer will be back up and running. Look at her in all her glory. My blue fans. It should go straight to BIOS. Yes! Arch Linux. Grub. We'll go in and it will take me to... I'm there. Let me sign in. We are so back. Disk, utility. Oh, Christ. So this is my new Linux partition. It's now SDB. That's kind of stupid. SDA. Okay, great. My hard drive is now SDA. Whatever. I now have a 2 terabyte hard drive, which is mounted. Yes, mounted. And I can now go through my files I shared. I put my Windows files up in here. And then I want to play this. There we go. Does my audio work? No, that is a problem for another day. This is a clip from yesterday. Everything's good to go. All I gotta do is just finish setting everything up. Thank you for joining me on my Linux journey. I'm back. I just got out of the shower. I hope the right people enjoyed this. So yeah, that's about it. See you in the next one.